Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Celsius pays off its MakerDAO loan, StarkWare plans a Regenesis for StarkNet Alpha, Sudoswap releases its sudoAMM, and Dune Analytics releases shared workspaces for teams. All this and more from ETH Daily starts right now. Celsius paid off a $41.2 million DAI loan on MakerDAO to unlock 21,962 wrapped Bitcoin worth about $440 million. Celsius later transferred the wrapped Bitcoin to crypto exchange FTX. The company then paid back $23 million towards loans on Aave and Compound. Celsius still owes $236 million in DeFi loans, which are backed by more than $700 million worth of collateral. The crypto lender also faces a new lawsuit alleging the company artificially inflated the price of its CEL token, failed to hedge risk, and engaged in activities that amounted to fraud. The lawsuit was filed by asset manager KeyFi, which deployed customer funds for the platform. Jason Stone, co-founder of KeyFi, claims Celsius owes them a significant amount of money for services rendered. Stone also revealed that he is behind the formerly anonymous Twitter account at 0x_B1. StarkWare is planning a Regenesis on its mainnet release of StarkNet Alpha. Coined as the No Sweat State Reset, the Regenesis will be a more lean and secure deployment of StarkNet Alpha with a new state. The new release will run in parallel to the current StarkNet Alpha network. A Regenesis involves the launch of a new set of smart contracts. Users will be required to redeploy new accounts and must migrate assets from the old StarkNet Alpha to the new one. The Regenesis will be the final state reset before the final production release of StarkNet. The Regenesis is expected to go live in Q4 of 2022. Sudoswap announced the launch of sudoAMM, an NFT marketplace protocol. Users can create NFT liquidity pools that gradually buy or sell NFTs along price curves. Users can deposit NFTs or ERC20 tokens as liquidity to earn fees from a pool. Sellers can also list their NFTs at fixed prices on the marketplace. Developers can source liquidity from Sudoswap into other Ethereum applications. Previously, Sudoswap was a platform for facilitating one-to-one NFT swaps. On July 1st, Sudoswap announced the rebrand of its platform into an NFT marketplace protocol. Sudoswap plans to add support for LPs with ERC1155 and ERC20 tokens. During this week's All-Core Devs call, developments on EIP 4844 Proto-Dank sharding were discussed. EIP 4844 proposes an intermediate sharding specification for Ethereum, which sets the foundation for full sharding, while also immediately enabling lower transaction fees on Layer 2s. The call discussed coordination of the KZG ceremony, a process for providing a random input for the proving scheme used to verify shard data. The call also focused on various design and implementation issues related to the EIP, including a fee market for blobs and finding a more optimal BLS library. And lastly, Dune Analytics, a free-to-use platform for querying blockchain data with SQL, launched a shared workspace feature called Teams. Users who work for multiple projects can now have separate workspaces for each project. The release also includes user roles for onboarding team members, such as viewers, editors, and admins. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories from ETH Daily. You can support this podcast by subscribing and leaving us a review on Apple Podcasts. Also subscribe to our newsletter at newsletter.ether.fm. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.